up, man? What's your name?
Edward.
Edward? Yeah. What? Wait, nice bike.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thank you. What happened?
I just changed the bike.
Got rid of the green?
Yeah. Rocking the blue.
I see. What are you up to, man?
Just getting gas.
You just done?
Yeah.
Any chance you can pump me up? Not again. I'm not leaving this. Can you pump me up?
Damn it.
Can you pump me up? Can you pump my bike up?
Yeah, if you want.